Hi, I'm Ane, and these are the top 5 things you should know about spousal support. Number 1, taxability. Whether spousal support is taxable or deductible depending on if you're the receiver or the payor. Spousal support is not deductible to the person paying it, and it's not taxable to the person receiving it. Number 2, in California, there is a presumption that if you are married for over 10 years, then the court retains jurisdiction indefinitely over the issue of spousal support. However, it's a presumption, which means it's rebuttable. If you're married for under 10 years, then the presumption generally is that spousal support should last for about half the duration of the marriage. This brings me to number 3, which are some of the factors or the circumstances that could cause a modification or termination of spousal support. The number 1 most common thing is a court order. Somebody goes in and they need a modification. Number 2 is the parties agree to a modification. Number 3 would be the death of either party. Number 4, the receiver's cohabitation or remarriage. So this is very important because a lot of people don't know that if you cohabitate with someone and you are receiving spousal support, that could cause a modification or termination of the support that you're receiving. Number 4, in California, there's a difference between permanent and temporary spousal support. So temporary spousal support is meant to allow the party receiving the support to maintain as close as possible the standard of living that he or she enjoyed during the marriage. For permanent support, the court actually has to go through various factors that are outlined in Family Code 4320 in order to determine what a fair number is going forward, because permanent support could last a long time depending on your circumstances. And finally, number 5, in California, the person receiving support should always remember that you have a duty to become self-supporting within a reasonable amount of time. So sometimes, but not always, the trial court that issues your order will also issue a ruling that says that you, as the person receiving support, have a duty to take reasonable steps and become self-supporting, and you shouldn't rely on receiving the spousal support for life. And those are my top 5 things that you should know about spousal support.